Hello, everyone. This is Lee. It's been a long time since last time I had a video made. Um, I think I'm ready to show you this strategy, and then hopefully that this can help you to your daily trading um, life. Anyways, before I start, this is the website survivalhike.com, and gotta have to go through the risk disclosure and a hypothetical performance disclosure. Just want to make sure that you understand everything is all the results you see there in the past and everything in the future that we don't know. Um, it's all historical data and it's hypothetical. So, anyways, this is the strategy uh, that has been running, and this is today's chart. Wow, looks like the market is going crazy at 2 p.m. Central Time. Um, Not really crazy, but just that went up pretty fast. Um, so, anyways, this strategy is running on a instrument. It's a micro NQ. It's on a June contract, 5 minute chart. So the strategy is simple. It is that we have two indicators actually that we use. These indicators are part of NinjaTrader 8. The yellow upper line and lower line, this is the a Bollinger Band. And the blue one is the Keltner channel. Okay, you can see. All right. Now, when the what the indicator what this strategy does is that when the Bollinger Band both or either the upper or the lower inside of the Keltner channel, there is no trade. There will be no trade either upper, basically long or short. So now let's say when that, when, see, this is these bars painted in white means that both lines of Bollinger Band are inside of Keltner channel. Okay, right there, right there. Um, but once one of the bands, let's say the lower band of Bollinger, went through and went below the lower channel of Keltner, which is right here. You can see right here. The yellow one, the yellow line is below, and then and this bar, the close is less than the open. Okay, and also the current bar's close is less than the previous bar's close, and also the mid band. The midband, which is the color in white, is the Bollinger Band. Okay, see those two indicators right here. And once that condition happens, basically there are conditions like let's say the conditions are like this. The lower band of Bollinger is below the current lower band of Keltner channel, and the previous band was greater than the lower um, channel of Continental. Then this close is less than the open, the close less than the current bar open, and then the current close is less than the previous bar's close. So once that happens, the entry price is the open of this bar right here. Okay, these are the conditions are met, then they trigger the short. So this is when the short happened, and this trade is a loss, got stopped out right here. You can see this is the loss of $480. I'm sorry, this is the MNQ and it's trading on four contracts. And I forgot to mention it. The target is 240 ticks and the stop is 240 ticks. 240 ticks, 240 ticks. Sorry. Um, so that's a short because all the conditions are met, and this is what's happening. This is the let's say 1:05 a.m. Central Time, uh, May 18th today. So it's like the market is really not doing that much. So then until the 3 a.m. excuse me, the upper band, the upper band actually was greater than the upper channel of Keltner, and the middle band is the current value is greater than the previous value. The band is trending up. So and also the close of this bar is greater than the close of I mean greater than the open of this bar, and the close is greater than the previous bar. That's why the bar is painted in gold. This is a triggering, and the entry is the opening of this bar. So and that's what happened. And then the bar went up, and then that's a 5 minute bar after 5 minutes, and it hit the target at 240 ticks. So two trades happened today, and then the risk and reward is 1 to 1. So basically, after two trades, it breaks even. Then the market starts just moving a little bit, but the bands are outside of the Keltner channel, so there will be no trade until until let's see 7:40 a.m. Central Time. It happened again for a long trade because the upper band is greater than the upper channel, and the previous band was less than the the upper channel of Keltner. So and also the close is greater than the open, and the closes was greater than the close of a previous bar. So the market, then you got a long trade. The entry prices open up this bar and it hit the target right here for 240 ticks. I'm sorry. Another condition is the mid band is trending up. So then that is 7:40 a.m. Central Time. Then when the market, the cash market opened and everything is just trending down a little bit. There's no because the upper, I mean Bollinger Band is outside of Keltner channel, and then just going this and then as of now it's 2:05 p.m. afternoon. The strategy stopped trading because of the um, setup. So here's the setup. Uh, let's see. 240 ticks 1 to 1, and the start time is 1 a.m. Stop at 3:30 p.m. This is all Central Time, and daily profit I set as 1,000, and daily loss is 480. And this is the parameters that for these two indicators. This is a Bollinger upper, Bollinger uh, 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 period. Basically, it's uh, the period basically. Okay, and this is the Keltner channel period. This is the sensitivity, and this is also the sensitivity. If you know both indicators, you know what this means. And then bar length basically what it does is to eliminate any trades that if the bar, the close of the bar minus the open of the bar is less than 100 ticks, I'm sorry, 100 points, then the strategy you can then the any trades will happen. If that bar previous bar is greater than 100 points, then it won't trigger anything. Okay. So, anyways, and then also this is trading on four contracts. You see this. When the strategy is enabled, you'll see the indicators are basically displaying on the chart, and they'll tell you, um, yeah, what's the current market doing. And basically, look at this. This is like really not a it doesn't have any trades until this Bollinger Band goes inside of the channel and then breaks out again. Once it breaks out, and you have a trade, either breaks out down or breaks out up, you have a trade. So it's just basically Bollinger with the Keltner channel. And Keltner channel is the control, is a channel to control, to reset, and then to trigger. So now you look at what this strategy does is it has a daily profit and loss settings in it. You don't have to use ATM right here. Just use this strategy to set your daily profit and daily loss limit. Now this is the end of an intraday mark. Once that happens, after that it will be another intraday period. Um, and you can see sometimes when both bands are inside of a Keltner channel, the bars are painted like white. Okay. Just telling you this market is like really choppy here. See, this bar is gold for long because it went above. Okay, and the mid bar is trending up, and the close is greater than the open, and the close is also greater than the close of a previous bar. All the conditions are met, and then entered here and closed right here. Okay, and this is the same thing. And when you see there's a long order, there will be a background painted as blue, and you see, and this is short, long. This is what this strategy does. It also has the indicators painted for you, and you can change the color of the indicators right here. You can change the color, whatever you want to do with it to make it look the way you want it to look at it. Um, for the performance wise, I always have 90 days data loaded. You can see that it's not bad. You have a profit factor in 2.25, sustainable, and the max drawdown is 1100, and you have a net 21,000. And this is the data from February 16th to May 18th, 90 days. You have in total 122 trades. The percentage is a good percentage because the risk and reward is 1 to 1. Um, and That's also important. You see maximum consecutive losers, three, winners will be 11. Three means that um, maximum, it basically, look at this, let me show you this, okay? And you go to daily and you go to net profit. Then you'll see this. This is basically two trades. You got two losers. That's it. This strategy will stop. and this win two losers, it'll stop. Two will stop. Now, logically speaking, if you have a first loser, then the strategy will continue to go until it hits another loser. But what if it has a winner? Then you have a break even days like this. Okay, a winner and a loser, two trades. This one is a little bit different. It has five trades. So basically, you have winner, loser, winner, loser, and winner, something like that. I can go back to take a look at which was March 17th. There, this is 17th. This is the 17th. Okay, 17th right here. Sorry. Let's see. Five trades. All right. The first trade is the winner, right? And then second trade is a winner. You got two winners. Now, since we have this daily profit set as a 1,000, so it gets 960. Still, it's not hitting the target. And unfortunately, you have a loser, and then you have another loser, and this third loser, which actually closed at the session close. So it's like a not really it didn't hit the stop loss, but it had a loss. That's why. Now, the thing is, you set this. This is a 960, okay? After two winners, you have 960, which is close to your daily profit. Let's say if you wanted to just have two winners, you can set to 900 right here. Okay, let's see, one, two, and that's it. No more trades. Now, based on these settings, you can look at results. You actually get better results. You have 22,000 and the max drawdown is 960. So you can actually do to have set up like this, say two winners, two losers a day, consecutive. So basically, um, the strategy setup will be like this. The reason it has two losses because the daily loss is 480. 480 is like right on the spot. And then plus the commissions, everything will be above 480. So either way, you can set as daily loss at 900 or 480. Okay, you can do the math. If you just say daily loss is to 900, right? Mm. And you look at the performance, same thing, right? 960, that's the max drawdown, and then you have two consecutive losers. So this is a good settings based on the daily profit and loss. So you're looking at two winners and two losers, consecutive winners and losers, and you have and then then the strategy will stop trading. Everything can be set like this way, or you can just increase the daily profit to even higher level. You can always do lots of things with the settings here, but I'll optimize the settings based on the performance. If the performance drops in a level, let's say if we see a five consecutive losing days, the whole week is just losing week, then I'll optimize the settings. But right now the setting is optimized. You can just use this current setting if you download the strategy from my website. Um, uh, then go from there. This is the micro uh, MNQ. You can add different numbers of contracts if you want to trade based on your account size. So, like, let's say, look at today. It's very obvious. Again, this is the 2 p.m. which is Eastern will be 3. So this today is first loser, second winner, breaks even, and the third is a winner. And that's it. From that point on, there's no trade. So we're done for the day. Okay. Again, just recap it. This strategy is simple. Is um, it basically the trades will be triggered based on these conditions. The first condition is the Bollinger Band, either upper or lower band, when above, greater than the upper of the channel, or lower, basically less than the lower channel of Kellner channel. And then close is greater or lesser than the open for long and the short. And the mid band of Bollinger has to trend at the same direction as as the strategy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll have this uploaded to the website for you to download if you are the existing member, or if you're interested in using it. The price is on the website. You can test it for 30 days for free if you are interested. Just contact me on the website and or through the comment on YouTube channel. Um, that's pretty much it. Simple strategy. Just be disciplined. Thank you very much.